Welcome to UNICO 2087 in the heart of Riviera, only 1 hour from Tulum Airport and approximately an hour and 15 minutes from Cancun Airport. We are a luxury travel agency based in Canada. My name is Jackie, and we invite you to contact us to plan your visit at UNICO 2087. Email us at travel@princeadventures.com. One important tip to note when booking an ocean view room at UNICO 2087 is that the resort is shaped like a U. Your ocean view room may be at the back of the U shape, potentially a little further from the ocean than you'd expected, and we invite you to ask us for more help on choosing the best room for your stay. This is a perfect resort for honeymoon couples. Please email us at travel@princeadventures.com.